Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav and welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will show you one website where we can create a free guest post backlink. So the website name is indibloghub.com. So this is a website URL and this is a website dashboard. So before they started, we can do some research. So according to Acharya, the domain rating is 63, and according to Moj, the domain authority is 55, and the spam score is only 1%. And if you can check the website traffic, so you will see 88.6K monthly traffic, and mostly traffic from India, Pakistan, USA, Vietnam, UK. So this website having that kind of country traffic. So if you wanting to increase crawlability, audience traffic, source, brand building from that kind of country, then must you guys will consider this site for your backlinking. And the another thing, this site have a multiple category. So you will see this is a digital marketing category, this is a business and the finance category, this is a technology category, health category, and the travel category, and the another category. So if you it doesn't matter so what is your category, so you can easily consider this site for your guest post backlinking. Okay, so now we can start. First thing, you guys will click on the join for free, and there you can add your name. So there you can consider to add your company name. I guess this would be the best. And job there you can add your email address. So email address, let me add here, and then you can add your profile description. So let me proceed. Job my AI about virtual interview platform, streamline hiring globally, and there you guys will choose your password, and you can acknowledge the terms and condition, acknowledge the robot, create, click on the create account button, and here it is, your account is created. This video is sponsored by intently.co. So every business should get listed on Intently. It is a business directory with lot of features aiming to help you with your SEO, and it really works. Key benefits are a quickly generated multiple highly relevant backlinks to your site. Here is a listing page with lot of businesses who do this. Every link to your site is a highly customizable do follow link, so you can target a specific keyword that you want to rank for. Here is the customizable screen. You can post unlimited article about your industry. Finally, if you are an agency or have multiple websites, then you can take advantage of our agency subscription to list your own businesses plus 10 of your client. You can find this link from the description intently.co. So after that, you can navigate to the add articles, and click on the add new article, and after that this site will ask you to, you can activate your account. So you can click on the, you can click on this, click here, and after this site will send you the activation email. So yeah, they have sent it, so you can activate your account. I received, click on the activate your account, and after that we need to update our profile. So you can click on the add article, either you can click on the setting button, and if you can click on the add new article, this site will navigate you to your profile, to you can update your profile. So first we can update our profile picture, and there we have add our title, professional headline. So then we can add our main title, either keyword. So it is totally up to you guys, and there you can add your website URL, and if you're wanting, so mobile number with a country code. So you can add either, you can ignore these things, and if you're wanting, so you can add your profile title, either you can ignore these things as well, and there you can add your social accounts. So let me add my social accounts here: Facebook, LinkedIn. So I have added my all social accounts. Then after that you can click on the update info, and your profile is updated. Now you can click on the view bio profile. So if we can click on this, so you can see this is your profile landing page URL. So yeah, this is your company name, use this is a profile picture, and all the things. And if you can see all the these are the all the social channels, and if I can click on this, and if you can check, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is 100% do follow backlink, and your social media are in a no follow tag. So we have created a high quality do follow profile backlink. Now the time is to we can publish article on this website. So you can click on the add article button, and click on the add new article. So there you can put your article title. So let me open my article. So I have recently generated a fresh article. So this is my article title, and there you can upload your featured image. So might be I have featured image or not. Okay, so let me download this picture, and in this section there you can add your content. So this is the content, and let me copy, and you can paste your content in the content box. But when you paste your content here, you need to optimize your headings and the internal links, because this site accept without any text formatting. So you can update your headings here. So talent acquisition versus recruitment. So allow me guys a moment to I can optimize my heading. So using this section, you can optimize your heading, and then you can publish your article. So allow me a couple of seconds so that I can optimize my content, and we can easily publish. So now we have optimized our content. Now the time is to we can insert hyperlink on any targeted keyword. So so talent acquisition in hiring strategy. So this is my keyword. So where is this talent acquisition hiring strategies? So you can select your keyword, and you will see there is a hyperlink button. You can click on this, and then you can copy your URL. But I guess you are able to paste your content here. So you can paste your URL here, and this is your URL text. And after that, you can click on the insert link button, and you will see your hyperlink is inserted. So using this method, you can insert your hyperlink here, and now we can update a feature image. So let me extract my file, and where I have added my featured image. So you can click on the choose file, and you can click on this, click on the image, and my image is updated. After that, you can click on the edit, add edit article. You can click on this, and you will see your article is published now. So this is our article title, our guest post title. So this is a post, a directory, and this is your article landing page URL, and this is the title. And if I can show you in incognito, so this is instant approved backlink or not. So you will see this is a 100% instant approved backlink, and if I can show you, this is a no follow or do follow backlink. So you will see this is a 100% no follow backlink, but the thing is, to in profile we have created a do follow backlink. So there is a multiple chances you can publish your article here, and you can create do follow backlink, guest post backlink here. So okay, so if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for the watching guys, and if you guys are having anything concern, any doubts, any suggestion for me or you or your friends, so then you guys have to share your thoughts in the comment section. And if you guys can wanting to connect with me personally, any kind of service project or suggestion, so I can provide my social details over the description section. From there you guys can go to connect with me easily. And for the last, if you guys can wanting to help me something, so you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button, because these things will motivate me to create rapidly videos for you. So I hope you guys will understand, and you guys will do something from your side. So okay, bye bye and take care.